You won't see much of it over Texas, but NASA released this video today of what the solar eclipse would look like over different cities in Texas. The best time to look is around 1 p.m. For a better view of a solar eclipse, though, Texans will have to wait until 2024. It'll pass right over Dallas then. But for the one on Monday, Colleen is here to break it all down for you if you want to see it here in DFW.
Yes, and Izzy, you know how much I love space. North Texas, you know too, so I'm very excited about this event on Monday. And even though we won't be in the path of totality, it's still going to be a pretty spectacular sight here for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So first, this is the first time that the eclipse in about 100 years has passed all the way from the Pacific to the Atlantic. It's going to cross through about 14 states with that path of totality, and the shadow is going to be moving at around speeds of 1,600 miles per hour. So now remember, a solar eclipse is when that moon passes between the Earth and the sun. It's going to cast that shadow on our planet. And so for us, we're not going to be in that line of totality where they experience total darkness. But for us, we're going to see about 75% of the sun covered. And right now I'm calling for fairly good viewing conditions here for North Texas. So it's going to be a nice show for us. Let's break it down for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. If you're not going to be traveling to be in the line of totality, you'll still be able to see it here at home. So first off, all this is going to kick off at around 11:40 on Monday. So in the morning, we're going to start to see the moon make its progression across the sun. Now, our peak of the eclipse, the max of the eclipse, is going to occur at around 1:09. That's when about 75% of the sun is covered by the moon. And guess what? When that happens, we could have some areas drop about 15 degrees. Going to be a very eerie experience for some folks. And then the moon goes on its way as we head into about 2:39 in the afternoon. So again, with that shadow moving at speeds of around 1,600 miles per hour, this is only going to last about an hour and a half for areas. And the darkness, or a little bit of the partial eclipse we'll see, will only last about 1 to 2 minutes. So it's going to be a very short time frame for us. But now, if you are going to view the eclipse, you got to talk about safety because it is very important. Whoa! Here comes the sun. Oh my gosh, don't look at it, North Texas. That's what I'm talking about. Just like Mama said, don't look at the sun. The sun is still going to be the sun on Monday. And don't try to use sunglasses. They're not going to work. You want to use approved eclipse glasses. We have a full list online as well as more information about this phenomenon at WFAA.com. Just search eclipse. So a lot of fun stuff. We're also going to be posting a lot on social media as it comes closer to the eclipse.